Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add animations to video clips and scenes of your in-game recordings on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So you will need to navigate to your video clip or in-game recording through the Metal TV video editor, guys, and then navigate to the given video clip here on your timeline, to the position. Let's say let's add an animation to the first part of the video clip, right? So move your playhead to that video clip selected on your timeline, and then navigate to animations to the right and select the one you'd like to go with, like, I don't know, this one here, slide up, right? And you will see that small icon, or by that small icon you can indicate that the animation has been applied, but you can also customize it or edit its properties by clicking into that pencil icon and change the duration here. And yeah, to watch it in a preview, click play here. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.